Alright guys, in this video I'm going to install the Anaconda. So for that you can type Anaconda download and then you can click on the first link and it will give you the download link. Since I am on the Windows, my operating system is 64-bit, so I'll download this package. Based on your need, you can just download macOS or Linux version there. So let's wait till it download full. Okay, so my Anaconda is downloaded successfully, so I can double click it to install it in my direct in my computer. So click next and I agree and just me, and then you can choose the path, but for me its default is okay. And don't forget to add this Anaconda to the path environment variable. That means if you added it, you can use the Anaconda from your command prompt. So if you forgot to add this add to this path, you have to manually set up the path later as well. So just wait for a moment. It may take some time, so let's wait. Okay, so click next, and then I think I don't need this tutorial, so I'll uncheck and finish it. So now if you go to command prompt and you type the conda dash dash version, and it will list out the conda version, so which conda 4.9.2, which is the latest version. So if you want to launch the Jupyter notebook, you can simply go to the first desktop and then type Jupyter notebook, and it will launch the Jupyter notebook in the Chrome. Yeah, so it will launch the Jupyter notebook the Chrome, and then you can just simply click on the Python and then you can write your Python code. So alright guys, that's all about the installation of Anaconda. I'll see you in the next.